we do for content. Hey y'all, I'm Kaya Janae and welcome back to my channel.
The Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing.
25 days Christmas, 25 days Christmas, 25 days Christmas. Anyways, it is currently 1:51 and I just realized that I have free will and I know how to cook. So I'm about to make a little, in my head, it's this little personal pan of mac and cheese. I only got, I think, one type of cheese. We might have some shredded cheese and we got a little bit of noodles. But I don't know, I was just craving some mac and cheese and I was like, you know what? It's Friday. It's today Friday. It's Friday. I got free will. Let's go ahead and do it. First things first, I need to go ahead and put this thing. Let me take the thing out before I just go putting stuff up. But I need to put this air fryer up. I got a block of cheese right here. And what else do I need? What else do I need? What else do I need? Let me just get out everything so that way we're not running rampant. We got the noodles. We got the heavy cream. Because I didn't know what else to use this heavy cream for anyways. So that worked. And let me grab triple cheddar blend. We can use this one. It got sharp, medium, and sharp, medium, white, and medium cheddar. Ow, I just cracked my neck. But if you're not using, what is this even considered? I feel like I just started talking and all of the words left my brain. But if you still shedding trees, if you still shredding cheese manually, I need you to get back up on the drawing board and go get you one of these little devices. But we're gonna figure it out as we go. I don't think I'm gonna use this whole block. I'm gonna cut it in half and use half of it. And just save the rest in a plastic Ziploc bag. I'm gonna have to cut it open all the way. Surgery. Cause why are you acting like that? Okay, where'd I put me bowl? Oh, sweet mother of Jesus. We are going to take just a tad bit. And mix it in. These the noodles they be having in the microwavable mac and cheese. Now I'm making my own crafts. That should be enough to start with. And we can slowly add our cheese. It's good. You should watch it. I don't watch stuff like that. All right, y'all, we done. We about to go ahead and do this taste test. These are not the typical shells I use, but if you follow my recipe, it'll do you right. It'll do you right. Cause I'll be danged if I burn my tongue. But that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I see